Alright friends, we are in the shop. Been working on this piece of choke cherry, and I have been using this piece bought off AliExpress. I know they sell these on all the usual suspects. So this, of course, as I've been doing this, I've been going back and forth between that and my Henry Taylor and a few of these other ones, and just trying it out. There's if you go on AliExpress, we don't have a site. Maybe we should have done that first to say, hey, go buy from us. But no, we don't get anything really other than the satisfaction of you being able to do some wood turning from buying one of these. So this is really from metal machining kind of way of cutting. I definitely had to learn how to turn and cut with this versus the traditional tools. So this is the handle. These were sold separately. So if you do go to AliExpress, read carefully, because it looks like you might be buying one thing and you get something else. So just pay attention. No wax in your ears or anything like that. So I'll just show you. Little Allen key came with it. Comes in a very basic bundle. It's packaged very well. So of course I'm taking things apart. Nice little brass end. This is not knurled, but this whole handle is all knurled. So it's actually a nice, good gripping thing, and with the brass ends, actually feels pretty strong and capable. So here comes the dog. He wanted to sniff outside, see what's going on. And I'll take this front piece off. Again, you know, I'm really happy with the machining. There's the end of the tube. Not that you need to see that, but you probably see down the line there that the machining is actually really quite nice. For what I paid for this, I think this was $20 for the handle, $14, something like that, Canadian. Even better if you're an American. And yeah, so you slide this in, much like there are wood turning tools like this that have these kinds of rods for them, but this fits in there very nice. There's not actually much play in there. And I thought it was going to roll away. It's well balanced, you know, really happy with how it's balanced. Like, it's not rolling. So it's well weighted, if you know what I mean. Like, I set it down and it's not rolling away on me. When you sit this in for your length, and I will say this has really good weight to it, especially now, even putting this all together, definitely the weight's on the rod that's holding your cutting bit. So if you do go and look at that on AliExpress wood turning tools, I don't know exactly what the link is, this rod is actually seems really good. And even with that, there's our balance point. Like, that's pretty good to have that for balance. I wouldn't have expected that. I would have thought that most of my weight's here, but your weight is right in the middle where you want it. But what I found works really well with this is actually going from the inside out. We were actually getting some pretty good chips off of there. It is definitely way better with the handle. I was just anxious and using that part without the handle, but boy, what a difference that makes. That, I think, seems to cut pretty well for, so this was like just 20 and this was 14 or something like that. So about, let's say $40 Canadian for these two together. I think that's probably pretty good. seems to work really well. I'm happy with it. And we want to thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, and we would love a comment. All three of those help build our channel, and well, we would just really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody.